Stop buying store-bought minced garlic. Making your own at home is incredibly simple, economical, and safe. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. With just 1 jar of homemade minced garlic, you'll no longer waste time peeling garlic every time you cook. If you're tired of having to call someone to peel garlic when you need a lot, which is both tiring and time-consuming, then today's video is for you. I'll show you how to mince and store garlic in the refrigerator for a whole year, along with 30 years of experience in preserving garlic without spoilage, in just a few simple steps that anyone can do. And at the end of the video, I'll share a delicious dish made with this minced garlic, guaranteed to be a hit with everyone. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. You just need to choose fresh, firm garlic, usually white or purple garlic. Then, prepare about 5 cloves, gently separate the cloves, and cut off the roots. This step is simple but makes peeling much easier. When peeling, pay attention to fresh garlic. It should have smooth skin, plump cloves, and a bright color inside. If you see any brown, dry, or wrinkled cloves, discard them. Old cloves won't retain their flavor or color. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, slice the garlic. Garlic is rich in allicin, which helps boost the immune system and protects the body from cardiovascular diseases and some types of cancer. Raw garlic also helps the body fight colds and respiratory infections, thanks to its strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. That's why my family eats garlic every day with our meals. Method 1. Freezing garlic. Line an ice tray with thin parchment paper, optional, to prevent the garlic from sticking. Arrange the garlic cloves on the tray, not overlapping, so that each clove will harden individually when frozen. Place the tray of garlic in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours to allow the cloves to harden. This is an important step to prevent the garlic from sticking together when you transfer it to a bag/container. Remove the frozen cloves. Place in a Ziploc bag or airtight plastic container. Put back in the freezer. When cooking, take out the desired number of garlic cloves. No need to thaw. Garlic might be slightly soft after cooking, but the flavor and aroma are still excellent. I've tried freezing garlic cloves this way, and they retain their aroma for a long time. Each time I cook, I only need 2 to 3 cloves, which is very convenient in the kitchen. This method saves me a lot of time and effort, especially when cooking frequently. I'll definitely do this again every month, so I always have garlic readily available in the freezer. Method 2. Preserve with baking soda and dry tea. Use paper towels or gauze. Take out the garlic, sprinkle a little baking soda and a little dry tea on the towel. Wrap it up and tie it tightly. Put this small bag in the garlic bag, squeeze the air, and tie it tightly. Tea has polyphenols that help prevent garlic from sprouting and also absorb odors and moisture well. Baking soda also helps absorb moisture, preventing garlic from absorbing water. Garlic only sprouts when there is enough humidity and temperature. If it cannot absorb water, the garlic will not sprout. Hang the garlic bag in a cool, dry place. When eating, just open it, take out the garlic, and tie it up. The garlic will not wither or sprout for half a year. Method 3. Preserving garlic in flour. Prepare a dry glass jar or plastic container. Pour a layer of flour about 2 to 3 centimeters thick on the bottom of the jar. Fill the jar with garlic until it is full. You can sprinkle a thin layer of flour on the top of the garlic. No need to cover it completely. Add a few grains of salt to increase the moisture absorption. Cover the lid, keep in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. The layer of flour at the bottom helps absorb moisture from the air and the steam released by the garlic, preventing the bottom of the jar from getting moldy. The garlic will stay dry and fragrant for about 2 to 3 months. Method 4. Soaking garlic in oil. After cutting, you can directly place the garlic cloves into a clean jar. Pour olive oil over them until they are completely covered. Olive oil is an ideal choice as it enhances flavor and prolongs freshness. Close the lid and you're done. This method keeps garlic fresh for months. The oil absorbs the garlic flavor, making it perfect for cooking or drizzling over dishes. When needed, just take 1 to 2 cloves. No need to peel, no mess, no waste. Method 5. Grinding garlic into paste. If you want to save even more time, you can grind the garlic. Put the peeled garlic cloves into a food processor. Gradually add olive oil, not pouring too much at once to prevent the paste from becoming too thin. Blend until smooth. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add a pinch of salt to balance the flavor and extend its shelf life, especially if using in soups, sauces, or marinades. Stop blending when the mixture is smooth, thick, and fragrant. This paste will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to a year without separating or losing flavor. Choose a clean, dry glass jar. Gently scoop the minced garlic into the jar. Press lightly to remove air bubbles, smooth the surface, and wipe the rim clean. Close the lid, and you have a jar of homemade minced garlic, no preservatives, just garlic and oil. Place the jar on a stable shelf in the refrigerator, away from the door to ensure even temperature distribution. When cooking, simply take a small amount of minced garlic to marinate meat, stir-fry vegetables, or use in soups or sauces. Enhance the flavor with garlic butter. You can make delicious garlic butter for everyday use. Gently heat the butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Add a full tablespoon of homemade minced garlic, stirring gently until combined. Add a pinch of coriander powder for extra flavor. And a pinch of salt if needed. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the garlic softens and the seasonings are absorbed into the butter, then turn off the heat immediately. Divide the butter, one part for storage, the other for making garlic butter bread. Spread the garlic butter on slices of bread. Place in an air fryer at 150 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. The crackers are golden brown, crispy, and fragrant with garlic. They can be used as a snack or served with noodles, soup, or salad. This homemade garlic butter is versatile and incredibly delicious. Use it to marinate meat, stir-fry vegetables, or drizzle over hot rice, baked potatoes. It tastes just as good as restaurant quality. I hope today's video inspires you to try making it, making cooking easier and more enjoyable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple yet highly effective kitchen tips. Thank you for watching.